What is up, guys? Jeremy here, back at it again with another video. As you can tell by the title here, this is another update video. I absolutely hate that I have to keep making videos like this. Sorry, I'm trying to get better lighting. I absolutely hate that I've got to make videos like this. It's getting kind of depressing, really. It's getting to that point. The car's still in the shop. Basically, since the last video, been waiting on parts to come in. The Eaton Detroit Tru Trak differential is on a stock order. It has finally come in today, which I'm recording this Monday. Normally I've already got a video recorded, but I was kind of hoping the car would be ready for a video. Kind of surprised you guys, but unfortunately it is not, and I hate to say that. I'm ready to get the car back in, ready to get some better content. It's driving me nuts. Just every single video I post is an update on this car. The car should be ready tomorrow night. When I say tomorrow night, I mean Tuesday, the day before this video actually goes up. I was gonna kind of wait, hang out, and see if the car really is done by then. I'm not sure. I'm kind of worried that there's something else going on besides the rear diff. Honestly, was really thinking the drive shaft carrier bearing. We'll see once he gets the Tru Trak installed if it's still making that noise. But either way, when he pulled apart the rear end and looked at it, it's supposed to be a press fit bearing on there on the carrier, and he literally pulled it off by hand. It kind of ate away at the carrier, so definitely needs to be replaced anyways, and I'm hoping that is what I was getting from all that noise. Now if it's still there, my next best guess probably drive shaft carrier bearing. Obviously those give after time. I'm hoping, I mean that's like $30 part probably, so not too worried about that. If that's it, we can probably just slap one on over here at the house. But really, it's just driving me nuts. It's been a whole month now since I've had the car. Let's get this crap out of my face. It's been a whole month now since I haven't had the car, and it's driving me insane to the point where I'm starting to lose sleep over this. So hopefully it will be here in the next video. Guys, this is going to be short and sweet. I appreciate you guys sticking through. Kind of while we're going through this, not having the car. Really do appreciate you guys kind of sticking around and hanging out. But it's just not, the channel's not the same without the car. The sole purpose of this channel was to kind of revolve around the Camaro, and I haven't had that for a while. So it's getting kind of hard for me to put content out. Granted, when I do get the Camaro back, I've got a couple people I want to run. Might make a call out video or two. So definitely let me know, guys, if you're into that, if you want to see some more racing videos, because I'm honestly, I'm itching to run somebody. It's driving me nuts. Honestly, and I told my wife when I get the car back, I'm going to be gone like the whole weekend just driving around. So anybody in North Carolina want to chill, hit me up. Other than that, guys, short and sweet video. I hate to do it to you again, but yes, this is an update video. The car should be back. Well, you guys should see it on next week's video. You know, if you guys want to, I can go live and just kind of, I don't know, maybe drive around live or something. It all depends. Just let me know what you guys want to see. But that's pretty much it, guys. Sorry, I just didn't want to go without posting. But that's pretty much it, y'all. That's what's going on. Hopefully the car's back soon. I can't take it much longer. I really can't. But as always, guys, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.